What if you wanted to create a video with current statistics every hour? How would you do it? If you do that manually, you'll have to edit, render and publish a new video every hour. That means change numbers, percentages, charts and everything else. I mean, it already sounds like hell of a work. What if I told you you can create an automation that will do everything that we've just mentioned? All you need is After Effects and Plainly. First, create a template in After Effects, then upload it to Plainly and set it up. From here we have two options. First one is integration between Google Sheets and Plainly. Downside of this option is you will have to find a way to push your data into a Google Sheet. Second option is through Plainly API. I will show you how to create that in Make, but if you want, you can create a fully customized API workflow. Then we are going to create an integration in Plainly for output. So once it's rendered, our video will be sent to our Google Drive, Dropbox, YouTube or Vimeo. After Effects template creation. What we have here is pretty simple crypto market report video that lasts around 12 seconds. What we want to include is date and time when the video is rendered, name of our coin, logo, price, 1 hour change, 24-hour change and 7 days change. Just to show you that it's nothing fancy, I'm gonna jump into this card composition and show you what we actually have here. So 7 days, 24-hour, 1 hour, price, we have a symbol and name, and that's it. Yes, we can go even further and basically we can include the whole market. But for the sake of this video and its length, we're not gonna do that, at least for now. Then we have some simple outro and that's it. Let's pack this template. We're gonna go to File, Dependencies and Collect Files. And we're gonna paste fonts that we've used inside this folder and just compress everything. What we're doing here in Plainly, we want to go to Custom Projects and go to Upload the New. Here we're gonna throw our zipped file. Just name it Crypto Market Report. Upload. Then we're gonna go to Add the New. Render is the name of our composition. I always name it like that so I know that it's the main one. Here we are creating dynamic parameters from our layers. Those are 1 hour change, 24-hour change, 7 days change, name, price, symbol, and date and time. From here we have two options. We can either create an integration with Google Sheets and pull the data from there, or we can go with fully automated API solution. First option, creating an integration with Google Sheets. Let's go to Add Integration and here we will see what options do we have. We are going to choose Render from Google Sheet. Here we are basically connecting Google Sheet with our template. So we are connecting columns from Google Sheet with our parameters. First select a spreadsheet, I'm gonna choose Crypto Market Report. Then we're gonna go with Sheet 1. We are gonna connect our columns, so 24 with 24, 7 days with 7 days, etc. For output format we're choosing MP4. This whole part we're not gonna touch anything. Start integration. Here's the spreadsheet that we connected with our template. Basically what it does, it pulls the data from this spreadsheet and renders the video. The only problem with this option is, as I already mentioned, you will have to find a way to push the data into a Google Sheet. Just to show you how it works, I'm gonna input some random values. Name, Ethereum, symbol, ETH. Basically what happens here is our integration is triggered every time we insert another row. So we can be constantly updating this same Google Sheet and our videos will be automatically rendered. Okay, our video is finally rendered, let's see what we've got. Preview, Crypto Market Report, okay, 16th January, name, price, 1 hour change, 24-hour change and 7 days change. All of our parameters are there. This looks really cool. Let's say we want to pull the data from CoinMarketCap. What we need to do, we need to take our API key, which we will use to create our automation. What do we have here? We have two modules. One is getting the data from CoinMarketCap. The other one is basically our video creation in Plainly. What will you need to make this happen? Let's take a look. First, we need a URL. Basically, we're saying to pull the data for Ethereum. Here we are pasting our API key, and if you run this module, we will actually see what data can we actually get from CoinMarketCap. Here we can see the data that we want. So we have name, symbol, last updated, that's date and time, price, 1 hour change, 24-hour change, and 7 days change. Okay, but how will Plainly know which data to take? Well, let's go back to our template for a moment. We're gonna press render. We are not gonna render the video. We are just gonna do something like this and press copy with API key. And we're going to paste that over here. Now we just need to link our parameters. Here we are pasting our API key that we can get from settings. We are all set, let's just schedule our trigger. I've set it to 1 hour, so it triggers every hour. And we're getting a new video with updated new data every hour, fully automatically. Let's see if this works. I'm just gonna run it once. And here we have our video. It's already being rendered. I think it's gonna be done pretty soon. Yeah, it took less than a minute to render the whole video. Let's see what we've done. Okay, crypto market report. We have our date, name, price, 1 hour changed, 24-hour changed, 7 days change. And a symbol, of course. But that's not everything. You're probably asking yourself, how am I going to download all of these videos one by one once they're rendered every hour? Well, you can create an integration for that as well. Go back to Plainly, go to integrations, select our project. I'm gonna select our crypto market report. Here we see that we can create all kinds of integrations, so our videos can be uploaded directly to Dropbox, Google Drive, Google Sheet, or even uploaded to Vimeo. We are currently working on creating an integrations for Instagram and Facebook and other social media, so that will be pretty cool as well. For now, I'm just gonna choose upload to Google Drive, sign in. Folder, let's choose crypto, start an integration. Now whenever we render a video that's already automatically rendering every hour, that video will be uploaded directly to our Google Drive. So let's try that. Run once, wait for our video to be rendered, go to our Google Drive, and here we can see that our video is ready. I mean, how cool is this? As you've seen, once you have your After Effects template ready, you can set everything up in a matter of minutes. Once the automation is set, you won't have to do anything. Data will be pulled, videos will be rendered and automatically distributed however and wherever you want. As of integrations, for now we only have these. And for those more advanced, let's not forget to mention the webhook option if you want to create fully customized workflows with API. We are planning to add integration for Instagram, Facebook and other social media. Feel free to experiment with the different video types, different data, trigger times. Lastly, visit our website plainlyvideos.com to grab your 14 days free trial and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video.